Put down your credit card. If you are even thinking about buying a new camera, whether it's a Canon, a Nikon, or even the older A7 IV, you need to hear the absolute truth about the Sony A7 V. Because what is leaking from Sony's inner circle isn't just an upgrade. It's a declaration of war on the entire hybrid camera market. For years, the A7 series has set the standard for the all-rounder. The perfect balance of stills and video. But balance always meant compromise. The A7 IV was brilliant, but it had weaknesses. Rolling shutter, a limited frame rate, and an autofocus system that, while great, was not quite magic. The A7 V is rumored to fix every single one of those compromises, and then some. This camera isn't built to be a compromise. It is engineered to be the apex. The rumors suggest a revolutionary new sensor, a dedicated AI chip straight out of the Flagship-level II, and video specs that will genuinely make you question why you need a dedicated cinema camera. If you're a filmmaker, a professional event photographer, or a creator who needs uncompromising performance in any situation, this 30-minute deep dive is your final warning. The camera landscape is about to be reshaped. The sensor revolution, partially stacked power. Let's start with the heart of the machine, the sensor. The A7 V is rumored to retain the familiar, but incredibly versatile, 33-megapixel resolution. But here's the game changer. It's a partially stacked sensor. This is huge. This is the technology that virtually eliminates the Achilles heel of the A7 IV, rolling shutter. We're talking about readout speeds so fast that shooting 30 frames per second of 14-bit RAW using the electronic shutter will be a reality. Imagine capturing lightning-fast action, silent event photography, or rapid sports sequences with virtually no distortion. This partial stacking technology gives you the speed benefits of a flagship camera without the insane $6,000 price tag. But it's not just speed. Leaks suggest this new architecture dramatically improves the dynamic range and low-light performance. Even at 33 megapixels, you'll be pulling detail out of the shadows and highlights that you previously thought were lost, giving you a massive advantage in post-production. This sensor is the perfect blend of resolution and speed, designed specifically for the professional hybrid workflow. The AI brain, autofocus reimagined. Speed is useless without intelligence. And this is where the A7 V borrows the biggest secret weapon from its flagship sibling. The A7 V is rumored to integrate the dedicated AI processing unit, the same dedicated chip found in the A12 and A7 RV. This is not just an autofocus refinement. It's an evolution in subject recognition. We're talking about real-time subject tracking that is calculated up to 60 times per second. It goes beyond just eyes and faces. This AI chip can recognize human body pose estimation. It knows where a person is going even if their face or eyes are momentarily obscured. It can track birds, insects, cars, and trains with a tenacity you have simply never experienced in a camera at this level. And for video shooters, this AI integration extends to stabilization. We're looking at up to 8 stops of in-body image stabilization IBIS, with no active crop, rivaling expensive gimbals for handheld smoothness. Imagine getting rock-solid, cinematic shots with nothing but a prime lens